Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Hotmail spam filter issues in 2026. So if important emails keep going to spam or junk mail is filling up your inbox, yeah, this guide will help you adjust your settings step by step. First, sign into your Hotmail or Outlook account and open the junk email settings. This is where you control spam filtering and blocked senders. Next, check your blocked senders and safe senders lists. So, sometimes trusted contacts are added to the block list by mistake. Now mark important emails as not junk. I mean, this helps Outlook learn which messages should appear in your main inbox. Sometimes inbox rules automatically move emails into spam folders. Review your rules carefully and remove anything causing problems. So yeah, if your own emails are getting flagged, avoid using too many links, spammy words, or large attachments in messages. If spam settings still don't work properly, clear your browser cache or update the Outlook app. Outdated settings or corrupted cache files can sometimes cause filtering problems. And that's how to fix Hotmail spam filter issues in 2026. Once your filters, sender lists, and inbox rules are corrected, your emails should be organized much more accurately. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Hotmail and Outlook troubleshooting tutorials. Hey,